very song now, Without My Heart. And trust me, if they listen to this station without your heart, if we're paying you, but because you they listen with your heart, we they drop things that we go make you the enjoyment yourself for 89.9 Younger FM. This now so they be at the time now 1:19. The voice where they hear now that of JC Talks, and I promise you, and I always they keep to the promise back to back. We get inside the studio, somebody where we say, if you know hold your heart well, like you they watch am for screen, oh my god, if you follow the TV they go, and they test you, not be lie, you go follow the TV they go, who they talk about legendary, that kind of thing they go not do. Whoa. Legendary actor, they call him Nollywood Papi. We are talking of the one and only Richard Mofe Damijo, RMD. Papi, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Papi, which one are you quiet today?
But nobody they suit me now. Small. Now tell you go tell. Stammerer must call him by names.
Okay.
You still they introduce the go now, so make I quiet.
Okay, and also we get somebody will come with time, and this person, a person will be say, "Is your drop one project?" And I look and say, You drop project, so and it see sweet for inside the matter. With the talk of Quintet. How you day?
Hi.
Welcome.
Fine.
Hey! You need to clap for this one. You not know.
I didn't see that coming.
You didn't see.
you got that right.
I had to think about it for a second. How do I answer?
Okay.
I did fine.
You did fine.
Correct.
Okay, so
correct answer.
You get out. You did fine.
Yes, fine.
Okay, so this now it's 9.9 Younger FM. So try our best to go mix the whole thing. Me not just permit him. You understand? She's sabi, but give her time. Somebody will just come a many minutes. She don't tell you say I did fine. If you day yet till tomorrow, you go down to join me on top of the show. But it's okay. So we day here for inside the matter to yarn with one of the biggest name in the Nollywood industry, and it sweet me say you come 89.9 FM because he gets something where you can't share with us, and it sweets me say this thing we want share with us now something we go really impact lives. And I hear say the era where you did now the era of impact and transitioning. Yeah, so
now legacy time it is.
Yeah. So when you talk of legacy, when you see yourself R&D and 20 years ago, Wetin you want tell yourself say, true, I feel beat my chest, say this one thing don't happen, just one thing where if you say don't happen, the difference between 20 years RMD and RMD of 2025.
All the things when I say I would do when I reach this stage, them they do so. You know, live your own life according to your own terms. You know, understand? You know, so many of us they go through life, when they achieve what we really want to do, and when they fit assert ourselves, you know. So the level I did and our level will be say all the things I don't plan for my life before, say at this kind of time I go down retire into doing only the things that I like to do. So the kind of films that I like to do now, like this is my new film now, Revelations. Now the one that they wear cowboy clothes, cowboy hats, we shoot out for America. Me and my partner we sit down near me, so Tanya Price. 109 be Queen production movie, you know. So we do we produce the film together. So now to do film, we say no need to pander to just to satisfy people, say you don't do film. No, now the one go speak to people's hearts. You know, and you know the life get too much stress already. So these days when you do film, you got to give people hope again.
Sure. People
get to live and you need to inspire people, say there's still more reason to live. In spite of everything where they happen to us as a people. You know, hope still there.
Hope still there.
Bad as bad, you know, understand? And as you see when they inside this my film, so this is our new film we just do so.
Alright, in case you hear they talk of film, the film they talk of now Revelations. And one thing where he touched me for the line now, not all secrets stay buried. And now 15th of August, where I go land for all cinemas. And then one thing we sweet when I say now a day after my birthday, Papi.
So you're better than 14.
14 to
Correct birthday.
yeah. And the names of the character, I get one name wey even catch my attention. That's not Tega Mofe Damijo. That's not your Pikin.
Now my Pikin, the inside plane, they come now, I go land tomorrow.
So tell me how you bring them into the project. Now, in first project be this like
Yes.
So
that boy, the conk when I go give him, Person, now what would they do in graduation? Now they tell me, say, will they take picture for graduation grant? Now they tell me say na acting you want to do. People will not go read business, so say na acting you want to do. I call the say, if you tell me since now, I don't put you for film college or film school or whatever or acting school, you know. But anyway, these days now, some people need a quick start. Some people they discover themselves, you know. You say. He just tell me, say, look, now what you want to do since, but you don't know how you go tell me.
Tell you.
You know, be as if say, you won't follow my footsteps. I say, sure. And you know, it was sweet now because I thought it's fine, say, so none of my children go.
But you never hint him, or you
he never ever tell me, say he like to act anything. You know, they do it, he had na business he did, you know. Now, person will be say, all those people they sit down for inside house, want to do gaming, everything want to do that to make money. So this one, person don't. So the thing surprised me well, but I done the plan revelation with my partner before. So it thing just since I get role for person when supposed to resemble me for the film, I say. This one resemble me small, now, even though he don't top as me. Because the boy don't top as me, like six, almost 6'5" now. So.
Wow.
So and I'll be 6'3", but at least if I talk say that my Pikin be this for film, they go believe. You know? So
that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go to Queen. You just say talking of the movie, he's always been talking of you as the partner. How has this project defined you as a filmmaker? What change has it made so far for you? Like working on this project, what change has it made? Did you find it kind of different, the experience? So share with us.
Yeah, it was very different. But for me, it wasn't the first film I'd produced, but because we were doing a cross-cultural collaboration, we were filming in the U.S., we needed to run financing through a company in the U.S., so it forced me to open up my own film company. So because of Revelations, then Quintet Productions, the registered license business was born. So that was very changing.
So your previous project, have you worked with Nigerians before?
I have, yes.
So what was it like working with the likes of Choma Chukwuka, the likes of Tega? Because I want to sound like saying an actor. We don't how was it?
Oh, Chioma was so beautiful. I always say, I mean, inside and out, she is just a beautiful soul. That was such a joy to work with her. I can't wait to work with her again. And we've stayed in contact and have been good friends, and working with Tega was really fun and exciting as well, and he kills it in this role.
So what's that difference between Nigerians acting and that of the white? So any different, like what would you say is one striking difference between the both of them? You've worked with your people, you've worked with Nigerians, so what would you say is a difference between the both of them?
I'd like to know the difference.
Exactly.
Do you not notice a difference?
No, I want to hear from you now.
I was like, it is very different.
Okay.
I think in the U.S. things are very regulated, and so
no, we're not talking about the full industry.
I was like, I feel like it's very
the
acting style. A lot of improv, for sure. I've never experienced that in my film industry as I did working in Nollywood projects. Yeah, I think it's not
apart from improv. What else is different from the way we act?
The way we act, yeah.
Well, I think the work ethic is different too.
Okay.
It's just different all around. I mean, in every aspect of filming, it is very different.
Okay.
But it was fun to try to like put those two film industries together. And I think, it was beautiful.
Well, at least we did good.
I think we did good.
In terms of work ethic, what do you think about? Do you think that our work ethic is good?
I do. Sorry if that came. Much longer work hours. Yeah. So when I say work ethic, it's like when I work on Nollywood projects, they're very, they're done very quickly. Like where in my film industry, they're very drawn out.
Yeah.
So they're packed in, and so you're working really long hours and working really hard. So yes, very impressive work ethic. Sorry if that came across,
So
but I
that-
mean, it's different.
Now you talk and I am
Yeah.
Okay, so RMD, let's talk about the difficulty you experience trying to make sure that your son gets to do this thing based off on your kind of level of excellence. You know, you be person where we say you don't see excellence and you know how he did. This now your Pikin now. So how was it like I go conk you, you know, they get this line. How was it like?
He was very ready.
Okay.
I think that he understood the assignment. He was very ready. In fact, na me they run. Once the scenes with me are not there with him, I know they like watch her because I don't want they tempted to move. And the director understand the whole matter. So the director they call me, say, come and see what he's doing. I said, no, you deal with it. You know, so as the scenes with me are in there together, you know, some of them were very, very, and they were very emotional scenes. You know, so you know, he needed to cry and all of that.
Wow. That's the way Joy enter. I don't give a cry.
But he did.
He cried. Oh my God! Now to stop him after the Dusty cuts, then I can't be the next matter, you know. But he really gave it his all. You know, so person when they want something, you know, and person when not wants, then there'll be different things.
True.
But so when you want something, you got to go the extra mile. So he was ready for me. You know, so I just avoid that, make it do it. I don't want to teach him.
Yeah.
I don't want to teach him how to act because I'm going to teach him as if say I want to make him act like me. No, he has to. He get to do your own. He get to like when they talk for worry. You get to cane your own line. You know, understand?
True.
So the boy they cane your own line. He don't move to LA.
Wow.
Oh yes, he don't move to LA in the last 8 months. Since that day he won't stay now. He won't hustle away. So they hustle there.
Nice.
The day when I feel give a person name to call, I give her name to call, you know. So
Nice.
the boy they hustle 2 jobs, I mean 3 jobs that they do. Right?
Wow.
Yes.
It's up his style. So let's talk of the movie title. You say not all secret stays buried. So no matter you want to hide them, it will still come out. So it means say we go get lot of revelations. Some things will come out. So as RMD where you did, it get something where you don't do where we say you regret for inside the industry where you want to reveal, tell people say you see this thing, I do them, I regret them, I don't want to make you do them. Share with us revelations.
No, the revelations that inside the film he did.
The thing inspire me. I never even watch it, but I'm inspired.
Everybody for the film gets something where they hide.
Okay.
Everybody get what they hide for the film. So that the whole matter with that. So every you go see say at every point in time some revelation they drop. You know, the characters just they unravel from the beginning of the film to the end. Everybody's secret as they come out. You know, but in terms of real life or what I don't do for Nollywood, I did. God give me some kind of grace when I also stay within the boundary of those grace. So I did try conduct myself for inside this business as best as I can. I'm not sure say anybody for this business go fit tell me say you get one thing when I do wrong against them when I know, you know. Instead, now say the only thing that accuse me of that say I too do. You know, I too do because this job for me is serious matter. And when we're young, for inside the matter, we carry on for head. Now this thing when I go school, go read first. My first degree now for theater. And the kind of training where they give us in the 80s, not be training where they give people now. We go school where we say that time they treat us as if inside now soldier camp we did. You know, even when I come up from university, enter Lagos here, they work. When the first time I work with Shoyinka, if Shoyinka tell you say, Wole Shoyinka tell you say rehearsal at 3 o'clock. If you go the rehearsal by 3:15, he dey there. Sorry, at 3:45, Shoyinka dey there.
Wow.
So you were the teacher, you come 15 minutes early. The man dey there since 2:30.
Wow. They wait for you.
They wait for you. They do your own work. They wait for you. He go tell you say when they say 3 o'clock then the rehearsal dey start. You not missing that day you go come.
True.
It means say the 3 o'clock then the rehearsal dey start. So you're supposed to don't come 15 minutes or 30 minutes before. And the man go there. So now that kind of discipline that we get. So now all those kind of things that I take enter
So this level or this crop of actors, some of them don't really get out.
No, they don't know that kind. They don't know that kind of training. I don't do series for this town where be say they give me call time. The first day I come the call time, they're not ready. The next day they give me call time. I reach there, they're not ready. So I can't go meet the producer and say, why don't I do like this now? How give me call time when I don't go there already? I can say, bros, we say you know go do quick come now. You be senior man, I already quick come. You too quick come. So I said no. I said if you won't give me separate call time, give me separate call time. True. So that I go no say at that time I go come. But if you tell me I come by 2, 1:30, 1:35, 1:45, I dey car park. You know, and I will tell you, say, I don't reach here. So that kind of discipline that they bring us up. Yeah. And for me, no matter how I try, I don't go fit. I don't feel late for anything that they do. Oh. If I go late, I go call.
Yeah.
Yeah, say, oh boy, sorry, I underestimate this thing. I don't call person before. Say, I remember, Ceci, I will get meeting to do. So I can't call her and say, I go late. To say, bro, how many minutes? I say, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. You know, because go slow over a day where I did. He is. I said, brother, beg. You too do. I said, no, now you talk about with me at a certain time. If I go late, come by 2 minutes or 5 minutes, I need to tell you. Because I don't want you to wait for me say, are they irresponsible? Because when you keep somebody waiting, they make you feel as if the person is irresponsible.
Yes, not true. So, I tell God say it not be only me, because it not be like say you too do that, you too do. You go hear people they say you too do. I like the fact say when he was talking you were nodding your head. It means you were accepting it. You have seen it. You understand firsthand. So share with me.
He's never late for anything.
Great. So it's always like that kind of professional ethics that you have been talking about.
Oh yes, 100%.
So share with us the most interesting thing that happened whilst you were shooting Revelations.
The most interesting?
Yes.
I can't think of anything right off.
Okay.
Interesting. Do you have anything?
Or something you can't forget, you yourself experience.
Maybe during the recording. I love the fact when we started doing the music.
Yes, that was fun.
Alex Boy,
He had asked our friend Alex to write a song for the movie.
Yeah.
And the next day, he was like, let's go record. He wrote it in one day.
Yeah.
And then going to the studio. And what was fun is listening to Richard sing in the chorus. So he's co-singing.
We don't see her sing now. We see your song now.
It's good. Yeah.
Wetin papi never do.
We try.
So that was
Station with Sabina Yanga 89.9 FM. In case you just tune in, this conversation for Make We Know. My name now JC Talks. I get with me RMD and Quintot, and they don't talk about something we just drop and ego. Make you know say on the 15th of August, now that time when they want to serve this food for all of on our table. The question is, are you ready to receive it? RMD, welcome back.
Thank you.
You know, someone will go that break off air. Always the sweet pass on air. They tell people because the gist, the gist way they off air, you can't get it.
I will lie for you.
So Quintot, tell me, Revelation, reveal to us the sweetest food we don't taste for Nigeria. What's the sweetest food you have eaten in Nigeria that you're asking? What's the name of this food again?
You know the answer to that, but I apparently can't say it correctly. But
talk away.
Puff puff.
Now that one we want to hear. Puff puff.
Puff puff. It's my favorite. I have been craving and wanting to come back just to eat puff puff, but when I say it, they laugh.
Oh yeah, I get it. Puff puff. Also, I'm gonna say puff puff.
Puff puff.
Puff puff.
No, don't say puff puff. You don't need to finish the pronunciation. Just say puff puff.
Puff puff.
Puff puff.
I like how you try.
I'm trying.
Puff puff.
Puff puff.
As if it is KPUFF.
But KP doesn't make a sound in my language. It's not possible.
So
Puff puff. Now be smarty.
Anyway, just give me some. I want to say kaput.
No
worry. I shall say puff puff go there on Sunday.
But I love jollof rice and I'm excited to eat some good Nigerian food.
I'm ready.
Small pepper.
Small pepper.
Wow. Nice. Nice.
This not be her first time. This is not like her third time.
Of coming to Nigeria.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are looking forward to seeing the amazing stuff you did at that movie. Yeah. But then, aside some revelations, what be that one thing where you want people to expect? Do you understand, from you in 2025?
In 2025, I did work on myself. Every day for me now to just be a better person. So hopefully by December. I'm gonna achieve another milestone for some of the goals that I set for myself. Most of the goals that I set for myself are personal goals, so I need to broadcast them.
Wow. I don't hear people don't say, RMD is a very, very strict and disciplined person. I could say anybody with a smile like this. If you notice, they like to smile like that. If they have this principle way, and one film where you watch with the inside my head like forever, it was this time someone was talking with you and you were talking, the person was talking, and you said to the person, shut up, I'm talking. The person kept quiet and you said, I'm done, get out. Okay, that line,
that's about 30 days now.
You remember? 30 days that line sweet me. If you know who I don't use that, give it. They say, shut up, I'm talking. Say, I'm done, get out. So let's talk about you. Have you been able to, at some point let people understand that this is not you being rude, but you are being disciplined, because there's a culture of bad behavior. If you, for the past 2 days, it on the trend, you don't want to just go about it, the aircraft thing, bad behavior. So let's talk about how actors can focus and get serious at their job, and see somebody where they tell you, say, this bad behavior, you need to stop them. You admire an RMD and you don't know what he don't do to get to that level. So let's talk about the culture of bad behavior with the crop of people or talent or creative you have in 2025.
I will say something for those that have been privileged to work with. Not be everybody that get that culture of bad behavior. So at the end of the day, even if they don't bring you up well, but you won't be better person for this world, you go learn now. I mean, it's just that amongst all of us, and I just human nature, you just get people in to learn. No matter how you try, they learn. One of the things when I go that interview when Bayu do for me, when I say your father
left.
My friend asked me for Canada. I said, was it planned? I said, no, it wasn't planned. I just, even though with a joke, they're not born you well. If you call me by my name, my first name. I mean, we did Nigeria now, we're not America.
True.
If American boy call me by my name, I feel even because that's not the culture when they get. But
True.
if you will be Nigerian boy call me by my name, I don't say that joke. I will take joke, take correct
you.
So
that is be you, not be joke. You just talk your mind.
I talk my mind straight now. In the talking mind, me I talk my mind.
But you get people who don't tell you that thing where you don't correct.
Oh yes. Even small kids when like your RMD, right? I'm like, no, that would be uncle RMD to you or Mister to you. Yeah, because I feel that any time when there's a teaching moment for bad behavior, if you, the adult, not use that opportunity to teach, you too, with that bad behavior you don't do, you don't demonstrate. You don't understand. I don't the airport when one woman just called me, say, hey, RMD, come and take picture with my son. I said, no, you will bring your son to me to take a picture. I correct the mother, not be the Pikin I correct, and the mother I correct. I said, you're not going to just call me like say, I did look your age too. I senior you now, and I be somebody, papa.
And they'll say na cruzo.
No, if that's your business, if you don't like her, you go your way, I go my way. Nobody lose. You don't understand? But say me good day, you go just call me by my name, say make I can't take picture with your Pikin. You go carry your Pikin, come take picture with me. Now. So it's supposed to be, So me, I need to waste teaching moments without, and part of the thing what I do for every second.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate the fact say you don't clear your mind, you don't talk and I dey learn as well. I dey really learn from people like you because you dey inspire me. I dey tell people say if to say if you choose papa like this, I feel to say this person feel be my P man, because I like how you do your things. Thank you, Queen, for working with RMD on this very project. We did sure say Nigerians could love him because they love him as a person and they love his work as a person, and I'm sure that's why you decide that you want to work with someone that is loved, that can actually, you know, pass this message. Thank you for coming to 89.9 Yanga FM. One last message for your fans.
Wanna come on. The ministry get to the partners away ministry don't
they need to go.
They need to build and build a better foundation. Wanna come, wanna support me or support Tanya, support Choma Chukwuka, support Shemu Akindele, support Dio Adele, and support Tega Mofedamijo.
That's your picking. Yes. Your last message for your fans. Very soon they'll also gather, they call you.
Yeah, just come see the film. It's beautiful. I think everybody's gonna love it.
All right, thank you very much. 89.9 Yanga FM. We'll see there for What's Up Naija. No comment, day on top the matter. This song, na African Cowboy, and who else supposed sing our own RMD. He follow for inside. He done the sing before, but hear this piece, you go love her. My name JC Talks. Una, good afternoon.